Hi guys, it's Tony. This is just an easy way to bring up your tired marked UPVC. Now this isn't about this one. I've given it a clean before. I've just wiped the windows, dried it off. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use this. Just get a little bit on just about that much on, something, whatever. Depends on how bad it is. Right, and literally just go over it. What you want to be doing is going around the actual frame itself, because normal window cleaning the cleaning won't get all this off, and eventually this stuff gets. That's why it goes like a yellow horrible color. It just looks tired. Well, this brings it up like new. All right. Just get in right into those corners like that. Especially areas that sometimes you miss when you're cleaning it. Give that a good scrub. So this is just an ordinary washing up sponge. I find it ideal for this. Alright. So once you've done that, get yourself something like this. It's got to be fairly damp. It's got to be like a damp cloth. Alright, and simply just wipe it off. It's almost like waxing a car, really. It's a really easy process. Like I say, an old rag, anything like that. Pay particular attention to the corners, because it tends to, you get a lot of that where the water runs here, and it tends to mark really easy on this. Alright, so once that's done, you just simply get yourself a dry piece of just any work. This is just work zone stuff. I got this at Aldi, but kitchen towel is just as good. Just make sure you get the marks off the windows first. You don't want your missus giving you a hard time over that, do you? Or it might not be, it might be the owner, but it's generally women, isn't it? People watching this, not knocking women, you know what I mean? I'm just the same. So once you've finished, give this just a wipe round. You can see now where it's, and that will get all the final polish off and just buff it up real nice. Again, these are problem areas towards there, guys. And that's it. Now, the best time to do this is, of course, when it's not in direct sunlight. I'm doing it around about dusk time, but as long as you haven't got that direct sunlight on, it's the same as waxing a car. So that's it, guys. It's a lot neater, a lot tidier. And that's Thompson's, which of course, I'm trying to think, who is part of on sale, isn't it? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye for now.